Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal cancelled for your protection. So first of all, if you see this type of error in your Cash App mobile application, this simply means that Cash App's system flagged your activity as unusual. So it can be a new device or the large amount that you are sending or something suspicious wallet address. So if that's the case with you, you need to make sure that your account is verified with your full name, your date of birth, and your social security number. You can try withdrawing a small amount first, then a very large amount. If you are using any kind of VPNs or any public Wi-Fi, they can also trigger the protection system. So I would highly recommend you to remove those as well. You need to double check that the wallet address is also correct and it is not linked to any risky platforms. So if it keeps happening, you can simply open a new tab in your web browser and search for Cash App support. So over here, you will see a bunch of different options of contacting to the customer support. Like you can start a chat or you can also call them at this given number. So this is how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.